a new structure. Let's see what the new structure is. The new structure is I want you to. I want you to. I want you to plus V1 plus something. After I want you to, we have to use V1, the first form of the verb. Okay. Now let's see the usage of this structure. The structure is used to express a desire or wish for someone to do something. The structure is used to express a desire or wish for someone to do something, which means you are expecting someone to do your work. To do your work means you are expecting to do that work by someone. Okay, let's see some examples. For example, I want you to come with me. I want you to come with me to the party. Which means I am expecting you that come with me to the party. Means indirectly we are telling here, you come with me to the party. Okay, now let's see the next structure. I want you to understand my point of view. I want you to understand my point of view. What is this sense? Please, you understand my point of view. What I am saying, you please understand. Okay, now let's next one. I want you to finish your homework. I want you to finish my homework. Finish your homework before dinner. Before dinner. Next, I want you to apologize for what you said to me. I want you to apologize. Apologize for what you said to me. I want you to learn how to cook. I want you to take care of yourself. I want you to be honest with me. I want you to support. I want you to support my decision. I want you to know that I love you. I want you to help. I want you to help me with this project. I want you to be careful. I want you to be successful in your career. In your career. I want you to be happy with your life. I want you to be happy with your life. Next, I want you to respect. I want you to Respect. I want you to be responsible. I want you to be responsible. Responsible for your actions. I want you to be a good listener. I want you to be a good listener. I want you to communicate with me. I want you to communicate. Communicate with me in English. I want you to follow. I want you to follow. I want you to be proud of yourself. I want you to be proud of yourself. I want you to stop smoking. I want you to take a break for some time. Take a break for some time. I want you to try new things. I want you to try new things. I want you to be kind to others. I want you to be kind to others. I want you to focus on your health. Next, I want you to be successful. I want you to be successful in your career. In your career. I want you to learn from your mistakes. I want you to learn from your mistakes. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the next session with a new structure. Thank you.